Hi there. So what's up, guys? So I brought two deos. Okay, we can use them to have good fragrance. Yeah. So the thing is, it's quite humid outside. So definitely we're gonna sweat. Just to remove the sweat, we can use these deos. But there is a difference between these deos. Which one is to be chosen would be depending upon the quality of it, and would be depending upon, I'm not actually trying to propagandize anything. I'm saying that these are two options that we have. So when we have the two options, then definitely we will have the contrast between the two things. Okay, the fragrance would be different, and even the kind of use would be different also. Okay, and the way we are going to use it, we are going to apply it, can be a different one. If we are using the perfume, it can be sprayed in a different manner, and the body spray, that's different thing. Okay, so when we are using these things, or if we are having the two things in the hand and both are different from each other, when there is a contrast between the two things, we use the connectors of contrast. So how can we use it for these two? Okay, so I'll say that I'm not going to actually say that what company is it of. Okay, you can yourself guess it up. Okay, I would say that this black deo I favors more, whereas I don't like this. Whereas this red deo I don't like. Okay, so this black deo I favor, whereas I disfavor this red deo. Okay, I disfavor this red deo and I favor this black deo. Okay, I won't name the company. Okay, but you see, what I have done is I have used whereas. Okay, to tell the difference between one statement and the other, and to create a contrast between one statement and the other, I've used whereas. And in place of whereas, we can use other options also. Like, I'll tell you about the different options for that. Okay, like you see, we can use to the contrary in place of that one. Like, both of them are good. Okay, I'm not saying that the fragrance is good for both of them, but this one is better for me. To the contrary, this one is not equally good for me. Okay, so that is what I'm saying, the difference. Okay, when we are saying the difference, we can use to the contrary, on the contrary. Okay, so whereas, on the contrary, in contrast. Third one is in contrast. If I say so this deo is better in comparison to this deo. Okay, so black deo is better in comparison to red deo. Okay, or we can say that where black deo gives a better fragrance, good fragrance, or I would say that like magnificent fragrance. To the contrary, or in contrast, red deo, red deo's fragrance doesn't stay for long. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. So use the in contrast, to the contrary, whereas, and in place of that, we can use on the other hand also. Okay, like where black deo is quite a good option, and the company is also great. On the other hand, red deo is a sort of normal brand, and even having the stronger fragrance but very pungent one, which doesn't look nice to many. Okay, so that's the way to use them. And like there are other connectors also that we use. Those are, although, though, nevertheless, but those are used in a statement. Like the way we can use them, we can use them formally to begin the statement. Like, although black one is a good option for me, but as it is of less quantity, I will use this. Okay, although black is of better fragrance, because it is less in quantity, I would try to preserve that one. Okay, I will use the red one. Okay, so to save. So although can be placed in the beginning, and we have to put a comma after one clause, and then we have to write one other clause. Okay, and then thereafter though, never, nevertheless, all these can be used in such a way. Hope so the video would have been helpful to you to understand the connectors of the contrast, and if there is any sort of issue with the sort of brand of these DOs, then definitely please forgive me. So kindly hit the bell icon and hit the like, also to like the video, and hit the bell icon to get the new updates of my videos, and subscribe my channel and share my videos with your friends and with your family members and rest of the world, so that the knowledge will flourish. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Take care.